I've been staying inside too much lately.
Making a mess. Yeah. That happens. Well, Dad's here. He can show you how to do that.
Yeah.
No?
That was the kind that I used to work with.
What's that?
Without snap rings in them.
Tell them how it's done, Dad. Somebody has to.
Haven't got your new set yet.
No. You haven't donated one yet.
Oh, wait. I didn't know I was supposed to.
Somebody's gonna have to.
Who's spraying mud all over that thing? That guy's got a bunch of sand in it. That guy's gonna fuck with that. So it's gonna get out.
That's gonna get out of control on me. You just had to hit it like it owed you money, Tim. And then I tell you that, you'll try it on the next one and break something. So I'm like, you hit it too hard.
Probably contributes to my anxiety. Doctor says I need to get more vitamin D, so I take a supplement 2 times a week. If you got inside my head, you'd see there's no point in going to therapy. At least that's what I tell myself, cause I don't need another purchase added to my monthly fee. I'm doing fine, alright, okay. Sun keeps coming up each day. See it through my window shades. It's alright, just passing time. I'll watch it fade. Can't do too much anyways. In this small town, either way, I'm doing fine. I swear I'm doing okay. Am I really fine, or am I
Turn your jump turbo on at all?
Yep.
Call this a turbo lit.
Oh, yeah, I probably should do that.
What?
Safety third.
Safety third, yep. Come on, Beard.
really good at line? I don't really know lately. I've been on autopilot in my mind.
Hey, why you using such a short block? When you go up higher, you need a longer block.
Okay.
You use the short one down where it's short, and use the longest block that you can in that area.
Okay.
Keeps me awake, every single night I stay up late. I don't know how to sleep when I'm overthinking every little thing. But I'm taking my pills and I'm paying my bills, so I still feel the same. Guess I play this guitar, hoping that tomorrow I can say that I'm doing fine. Alright, okay, sun keeps coming up each day. See it through my window shades, it's alright. just passing time. I watch it fade, can't do too much anyways. In this small town hid away, I'm doing fine.
It's gonna have a little bit of a belly here.
Yeah.
But you can't do it. I mean, you can. It's a lot of work to get rid of it. I don't think it's that bad.
No, no, look at that.
But I'll get to the, seems like there's a little dip here. I'll get rid of that. But you'd have to cut it. Lower that body line and it up. How'd you get that, okay?
I think so. What do you think of this right here? I think it's just because of that. There you
Yeah,
go.
it'll take a little bit to transition, but you're not down to metal up top either, so.
Well, we wanted to try to get rid of that.
I don't know, there's a little bit of it, though.
I think it's,
Okay. Cool. I had this mud down here 2 weeks ago.
I've been staying.
Sand this a little bit. I don't know why they put that little ditch there. Yeah, that'll be gone. And we do the next.
that's kind of what I figured.
Yeah, that's perfect. You stop when you hit that one.
Yep.
Little something in there, but the next batch of shit. I need to hit a little bit more right here. I'll hit these lows. The fender's still got a little round and the door don't put anything on that. And then I need to hit the bottom of the door. But I need to take this glass out, cut this, move this, weld this, I don't know what we're called this. Well, this don't go. Just right about here. And then just finish this off. We'll put that other filler across the whole thing. The problem is I want to come in here and smack this down. I don't know if this works. It's just there's a ridge. That's how the fender's built.
Well, that's right where there's that
Brace.
brace at.
Yeah, so I don't know how much I can change. I don't know how much I can change that.
Yeah.
Ultimately, it ain't gonna matter.
No.
And inside too much lately probably contributes to my anxiety.